how to activate your account in eHarmony. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can activate your account in eHarmony. So let's start. First of all, talking about activating your account will be automatically activated and ready for use when you create a new account. So if you are just creating your account, you don't have to worry about activating it or something like that. You can simply finish creating your account and then start using it. The second reason could be that you have forgotten your password. In that case, you can simply head on to the login page. After that, enter your email address. Then after, you will find this option called forgot your login details. Tap on it. As you go to the next screen, you will have to enter the email address associated with your account. Then after, tap on request password. As you do that, you will get a link in your email address that will take you to a page where you can create a new password. After that, you can log in using the new password. Now let's say your account has been deactivated or banned due to any reasons. Then there is a method by which you can request the moderators to activate your account. For that, simply go to a browser of your choice. After that, tap on the search bar and then type eHarmony contact. As you search for eHarmony contact, you will find this contacting customer care link. Tap on it. It will take you to a screen like this. Then as you scroll below, you will find this contact customer care option. Tap on it. After that, you can search for your issue on the search bar. Then after, you will find this my account was compromised option. Tap on this account link. After you open the link, you will find an article that will help you to reactivate your account, or it will instead ask you to create a new account showing the reasons of security measures. So in this way, you can activate your eHarmony account. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.